You want to change your life. Not next year, not someday, but now. And the truth is, you don't need a complicated routine, you don't need to read 20 books, and you don't need perfect motivation. You just need one habit. One small daily action that can reshape your entire life in the next 30 days. Most people wake up every day already defeated. The alarm rings, and the first thing they touch is their phone. Before their feet even hit the floor, they've already compared themselves. They've already absorbed negativity. They've already lost control of the day. A wise old man once said, "If you start the morning in chaos, your whole life becomes chaos." So here is the habit that changes everything. 10 minutes of intentional silence every morning. That's it. 10 minutes. No phone, no music, no noise. Just you and your thoughts. It sounds simple, but it is powerful, because silence creates clarity. Clarity creates purpose, and purpose creates discipline. And discipline, that is what changes your life. People in their 70s and 80s say one of their biggest regrets is living too fast to ever stop and think. They were always busy, but rarely intentional. Even the wisest people, monks, philosophers, billionaires, repeat the same message. The quality of your mind decides the quality of your life. And your mind cannot be strong if your mornings belong to noise. Every morning, sit in silence, straight back, deep breathing. Let your thoughts settle. Then ask yourself, what really matters today? Not 10 things, just one thing. And when your mind is calm and clear, you'll notice something. Life stops feeling overwhelming. You stop chasing everything. You start choosing what truly matters.
Here's what will happen if you stick to this. Week 1, your mind will be loud. You'll feel restless. You'll want to quit. That's normal. Your brain isn't used to silence. Week 2, you'll start noticing your thoughts, patterns, emotions. You'll start seeing what is distracting you. Week 3, your focus will sharpen. Your discipline increases naturally. You stop wasting your mornings. Week 4, you become the most intentional version of yourself. Your days feel structured, your mind feels lighter, and you feel in control, maybe for the first time in years. This is not magic. This is alignment.
Most people don't fail because they're weak. They fail because they live unconsciously. They allow noise to decide their mood, their direction, their future. But the moment you take back your mornings, you take back your life. So tomorrow morning, before the world wakes up, before the notifications hit, before you pick up your phone, sit, breathe, be silent. 10 minutes every day for 30 days. Your future self will look back and thank you for starting today. This is your sign. This is your moment. Start the habit that will change your life. If you're ready to live with purpose, hit the like button and subscribe. And comment below what your first 10-minute morning will look like.